So last week, the Bank of Japan came out and said that they are going to be increasing their interest rates from 0.75% to 1%. Okay, now the reason why I should be very particular about this news and should consider it very interesting is the fact that for the past 20 years, okay, the Bank of Japan have actually maintained their interest rate below the 1% threshold. For 20 years, they've been holding it below the 1% threshold. What does that tell you? That look, for the Bank of Japan to now recommend a rate hike to 1% is going to be very phenomenal in the market and it's really going to cause a lot of movement. If you notice, in the past, let me say in the month of May coming into June, in fact from April, you discover that the JPY pairs have been very choppy, okay, and this has been in anticipation of a rate hike which is actually coming in now. That will be tomorrow. I think that's on the 16th of June. We are going to have a rate hike, which is tomorrow. Okay, so for me, this is the highlights for the week. The Bank of Japan increasing its interest rates to 1%, and I see a massive turnaround for the JPY baskets. Okay, for a very long time now, it has been buy. That's GDP JPY, USD JPY, AD JPY, and the rest like that. Okay, they've been on a buying direction for a very long time. Okay, so maybe from now we may start seeing some bearish sentiments. However, I'll always look at market structure to give me my confirmation in terms of market direction. So whatever the news says, whether 1% or not, I'll still always fall back to market structure to give me that confidence, or let me say that idea of where the market is going to next. Alright, so that's it for now. So my highlights for this coming week is going to be the news coming out of the Bank of Japan in terms of rate hike. Alright, take care and stay blessed, and I hope you concur. Bye for now.